Congratulations on the purchase of your new ULT freezer. The unit you have chosen is very sturdy and reliable with features that allow you to configure the freezer to meet your individual needs. Most of these features can be activated and adjusted through the control panel located on the front of the freezer. This control panel provides you with indications and alarms to monitor the performance of the freezer and to alert you in the event of a problem. This video will introduce you to this control, its simple menu system, and the features it controls. There are 4 available modes for the user to access to make changes or collect information from the control system. They are the configure mode, the calibration mode, the run mode, and the settings mode. You will note a pointer on the left side of the third line. The third line is the active line. Pressing enter will activate whichever mode or menu you have placed on this line. Your ULT freezer comes with default settings that will work to bring your freezer down into the ultra-low temperature range. This will take a few hours, and during this time you may wish to familiarize yourself with the control panel and set the time, the date, and if you wish, set up password security and choose an access code. So to start off, let's take a look at the control panel. At the top you will see 2 indicating lights labeled voltage boost and low battery. Voltage boost is a feature of your ULT freezer that will, in the event of a reduction in supply voltage, boost the voltage so that the system can continue to operate. This is intended to provide temporary protection, and when this light is illuminated, you should contact your facilities maintenance department to resolve the issue with supply voltage. The low battery indicator lets you know when the battery is losing its charge. This may be due to excessive discharge or simply due to age. Near the bottom, you will see the alarm indicator, which illuminates when any of the 21 alarm functions actuates. The alarm functions are listed in your manual. The temperature display always shows the current temperature inside the freezer. The menu display consists of 4 lines of text. As previously stated, the top line is the message line. In the system menu, it will usually display the system normal message. Upon the occurrence of any alarm, the message line will display the alarm message. In the case of multiple alarms, the display will show each alarm on the message line, repeating sequence on 3-second intervals. The alarms will appear on the message center only when the system level menu or the run menu is activated. If the operator changes to a different mode, the alarm LED and the audible alarm will remain active, but the message center top line will display whatever the normal message would be in that mode. The other 3 lines show the menu choices. The third line is the active line. Move menu items to this line using the up and down arrow keys, then press enter to select this item. There are 5 control keys on the panel. The enter key serves to accept menu selections or value changes and will also advance through a row of value choices. The back key permits you to scroll back through the values or to back out of a menu. The up and down arrow keys permit you to make numeric step changes in settings and selections in the menu. The silence key allows you to silence any audible alarm. The audible alarm will not reinitiate unless another alarm comes in or the alarm is still active after the ring back delay time. This delay time is 60 minutes by default, but can be adjusted from 1 to 120 minutes in the configuration menu. Now we can walk through some basic menu changes to familiarize you with how the control panel menu works. Let's start by setting the time and date. Using the down key, scroll to settings, press enter. Scroll to set time, press enter. The active value in the date display, hours, will blink on and off. Set the value using the up and down keys and press enter to set the value of hours and move to the next value, minutes. Set minutes using the up and down keys, press enter to save. The active value will automatically scroll to the next settable value, which is set date. Follow the same procedures to set the date. Pressing back at any time will cancel the entered values. To change the temperature settings, navigate to the settings menu and press enter to access the setting menu's mode. Use the up and down keys to scroll to the temperature set line, then press enter. Use the up and down keys to set the temperature to the desired value, then press enter. The alarm set point may be set in the same way as a temperature set point. Note that the alarms cannot be set any closer to the temperature set point than 10 degrees. To activate the security access feature, navigate to the configure menu on the system's level menu, then press enter. This will take you to the configure menu. Scroll down to password security off on the current status. Use the up and down keys to change from password security off to password security on and press enter. You have now activated password protection. Press back to return to the system level menu. Once you have activated password security, the user will have to enter the access code when attempting to access any menu except the Run menu. To change the password, navigate to the Settings menu and press Enter. Scroll to the Set Access Code, press Enter. Now set the access code by using the up and down keys to change the value of each digit, and use the Enter key to move to the next value. You may also use the back key to back through the digits. So now you know how to use the control panel to set up and access information about your freezer. Your manual has more information about all the modes, menus, and alarms associated with your unit.